Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your retirement with Fidelity, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open a Fidelity account online by visiting their website. Click on the Open an Account button prominently displayed on the home page. Select the type of account you want to open, such as an individual retirement account or a Roth IRA. Fill in the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Provide your employment details and financial information to help determine your investment strategy. Set up your account with a unique username and password for secure access. Once your account is created, log in and explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. Navigate to the Investment Options section to review the various available funds and stocks. Consider your risk tolerance and retirement timeline to choose suitable investment options. Use Fidelity's retirement planning tools to project how much you need to save. Determine a monthly contribution amount based on your financial goals and budget. Schedule regular contributions to your retirement account to maximize growth over time. Monitor your investments periodically to ensure they align with your retirement strategy. Rebalance your portfolio annually or as your situation changes to maintain your desired asset allocation. Take advantage of Fidelity's educational resources to improve your investment knowledge and stay informed. Utilize customer support if you have questions or need assistance at any stage. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized guidance tailored to your specific retirement goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.